The Vedas are a large body of religious texts which originated in ancient India. They are composed in Vedic Sanskrit and are the oldest scriptures of Hindu or Sanatan Dharma. Vedas not only contain religious texts, they contain knowledge on science, medicine, laws, etc. Each Indian should be aware of the Vedas. Hence, today we have brought you 25 questions on Vedas. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification. Let's start. How many Vedas are there? Options are 2, 4, 8 or 108. Correct answer is 4. 4 Vedas are there. They are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. Which sage or scholar is considered to have recast the original single Veda into 4 distinct Vedas? Options are Vyas, Agastya, Vishwamitra or Sankaracharya. Right answer is Vyas. What is the name of the place where Vedvyas taught the Puranas and Vedas? Options are Kasi, Prayag, Puskar or Naimisaranya. Correct answer is Naimisaranya. In the forest of Naimisaranya, Vedvyas revealed the Vedas, Puranas and Shastras to 88,000 rishis. Which of the following Vedas is rendered musically? Options are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda. Right answer is Sham Veda. Sham Veda originates from 2 words. First word is Saman, that means song, and the second word is Veda, means knowledge. The Sham Veda is the Veda of melodies and chants. Which of the following Veda contains the famous Gayatri Mantra? Options are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda. Correct answer is Rig Veda. Maharshi Vishwamitra is credited for creating the Gayatri Mantra. The Gayatri Mantra is cited widely in Vedic and post-Vedic texts. Which of the following Vedas was compiled first and the oldest of all Vedas? Options are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda. Correct answer is Rig Veda. Which of the following Vedas deals with magic spells and witchcraft? Options are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda. Correct answer is Atharva Veda. The Atharva Veda Samhita contains hymns, many of which are charms and magic spells. Who wrote the Brahma Sutras? Options are Panini, Agastya, Sankaracharya or Vedvyas. Correct answer is Vedvyas. Vedvyas wrote the Brahma Sutras and later Adi Sankaracharya made them popular by adding commentary to them in the 9th century. Which of the following Vedas contain sacrificial formula? Options are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda. Correct answer is Yajur Veda. Yajur means worship and Veda means knowledge. Yajur Veda is the Veda primarily of prose mantras for worship rituals. The famous Vedic saying, "War begins in the minds of men," is contained in which holy texts? Options are Mahabharat, Rig Veda, Atharva Veda or Ramayana. Correct answer is Atharva Veda. The famous Vedic saying, "War begins in the minds of men," is contained in the Atharva Veda. Who among the following is not associated with medical field? Here are the options: Charak, Susruta, Panini or Patanjali? Correct answer is Panini. Panini was an ancient Sanskrit philologist and grammarian. Charak was one of the principal contributors to Ayurveda. Patanjali was the author of Yoga Sutras and a medical text called Patanjal Tantra. Sushruta was an ancient Indian physician and author of Sushrut Samhita. One of the rishi invented early grammar of Tamil language. He, along with his wife Lopamudra, are considered to have written a portion of Rig Veda. Who is he? Options are Vishwamitra, Agastya, Vasisht or Atri. Correct answer is Agastya. Agastya and his wife Lopamudra are the celebrated authors of hymns 1.165 to 1.191 of Rig Veda. The ritualistic precepts pertaining to the hymns of the Vedas are known as Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Samhitas or Sloka. Correct answer is Brahmanas. The Brahmanas explain and instruct Brahmins on the performance of Vedic rituals. They are a secondary layer of classification of Sanskrit texts embedded within each Veda. Division of the Vedic society into 4 classes is clearly mentioned in which Veda? Here are the options: Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda. Correct answer is Rig Veda. Purusha Suktas of Rig Veda mentions the 4 classes or varnas by name. In the early Vedic period, Varna system was based on, here are the options: birth, education, talent or occupation. Correct answer is occupation. Varna was the classification based on occupation. Which god was known as breaker of the forts and also god of war? Here are the options: Indra, Agni, Varun or Yam. Correct answer is Indra. Indra was one of the main gods in Rig Veda. He destroyed the forts of Dasyuj, so also known as Purandar. How many Puranas are there? Here are the options: 4, 10, 18 or 108. Correct answer is 18. There are 18 Mahapuranas or major Puranas. How many Upanishads are there? Here are the options: 18, 101, 108, 1008. Correct answer is 108. There are 108 Upanishads in history of Hinduism. Upanishads are books about, here are the options: religious rituals, laws, yoga or philosophy. Correct answer is philosophy. The Upanishads are known as Vedantas. They deal with meditation, philosophy and ontological knowledge. Manusmriti deals with which subject matter? Here are the options: politics, laws, economics or yoga. Correct answer is laws. Manusmriti is an ancient legal text among many dharmasastras of Hinduism. Who was the most important craftsman in the Vedic period? Here are the options: blacksmith, goldsmith, tailor or carpenter. Correct answer is carpenter. Carpenter was the most celebrated craftsman in Vedic age. Which among the below were 2 popular assemblies of the Vedic period? Here are the options: Sabha and Samiti, Sabha and Mahasabha, Sabha and Ganasabha or Samagam and Mela. Correct answer is Sabha and Samiti. The term Sabha denotes both the assembly and the assembly hall. Samiti was a folk assembly in which people of the tribe gathered for transacting tribal business. What was the term used to denote a group of family in Vedic age? Here are the options: Gotra, Jana, Gram or Des. Correct answer is Jana. Jana was the term used to denote a group of family in Vedic age. Which among the following represents the type of society in Vedic period? Here are the options: patriarchal, matriarchal, patrilineal or matrilineal. Correct answer is patriarchal. Rig Vedic society was patriarchal. The head of the family was known as Grahapati. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.